Look, man, we are about to use the Zerobreeze Mark II AC unit. I don't know, but it is hot as y'all know what out here, man. Hey, let's get into this video. You guys, what is good, man? Welcome back to the channel. I got something special for you guys, something new, something that I'm trying out, man. I've been praying and we've been looking and searching for something to put in this truck, because at nighttime, if you ain't idling, it can get hot, and idling is not something that we do in these trucks. For the ones that are new here, my name is Tim. I go by Hotshot Macc, and I do Hotshot trucking in this setup that you see behind me. What you guys also see here is we've got the Zerobreeze Mark II portable air conditioning unit that we're gonna be using and putting in this truck, y'all. I sleep in my truck. I think this is gonna be something that works out perfectly for what we're doing. So I'm here to show you guys, all my guys out there that's in this lane doing Hotshot. If you're out there, you know, trucking and you staying overnight in these truck stops and you don't want to idle your truck, this might be something to look into, guys. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, let's get this thing out of the box and put it to use. All right, y'all, so everything's out the box, and as you can see here, there's a few different components. Of course, we've got a wireless remote so we can kind of store the equipment away and still be able to power it on and off. Got our instruction manual, got a Allen wrench and some screws in here. Got a battery, got a few hoses, looks like our cable, looks like some connections for the hoses for the vents in the back. This is the drain line to drain your water. So not too heavy, man. Total weight on everything with it set up is about 30 pounds after, you know, looking into it. So this is kind of what it will look like as far as size. Decent little size, so we got room under the bed. That's where this thing is gonna go. All right, y'all, here's the final install. Now the machine does have to stay kind of at an angle so that your water drains. So I've got it propped up with a couple of pieces of this foam that it actually came with for the windows, and I just pretty much made a arch right there so that water would drain down. But yeah, man, that is it. Gonna put the bed back on top and we'll be good to go. Give you guys an angle from this side here. Y'all can see I got my bungees just to hold it down in place. And this is how I have my power situation. I got the battery here under the seat. Got my power adapter also under the seat. Then we have a splitter down here so that we do not have to unplug and keep changing the battery to be charged from the unit. So this splitter here allows you to plug everything in and not have to you know, keep unplugging and plugging things in. If I wanted to get a second battery, I've got an outlet for it right here to get that charged. But for now, this is it. All right, so this is how I'm charging it while I'm on the road. That small inverter there, and as you can see, that's when it's powered on. And if I wanted to charge anything else, man, it's got some outputs on the batteries, some USBs. Look, man, we are about to use the Zerobreeze Mark II AC unit. This damn bug is right above us, but yo, it's nighttime out here in the woods. So we just gonna have to deal with it. So I'm gonna show you guys the process, show you guys what I like about this unit. Let's get right into it. Y'all seen us do the unboxing, so now it's time to see how this unit works. Let's get started, man. First thing I'm gonna do, and what I do every night, and I highly recommend this if you guys are in the truck, man. You need something that's gonna keep the heat out. I've got my WeatherTech shades. They are gonna go up all around. And like I said, this is gonna help keep the heat out. If y'all in the South, you guys already know. All right, y'all, so the first thing you gotta do, man, with this unit is to kind of maintain a temperature. So what I do every night is I start my truck when I shut down for the night. I start my truck, we're gonna cool the truck down, and then while we do that, we're gonna turn on our unit. We're getting closer to getting to run this unit. I got my temperature gauge here so we can kind of monitor the temperature. And you guys will be able to hear how quiet the unit is at night. So I've got my wireless remote. You can see you got your power. There's also a light on here if you need, like say if you're not using the vent, there's an option to have a light, like if you're camping or, you know, doing something outdoors in a tent or something like that, you need like a flashlight or something of that sort. You got your speed for the fan. You got just a fan option. You got a sleep option, which is kind of the sleep is what's gonna save the most energy, give you the more hours on the battery. And then you got your cool and then your rocket. Rocket's kind of like your strong mode where you're gonna get the most power out of the unit when you need it. So let's go ahead and turn it on. All right, so once you turn it on, you can see it starts at rocket mode. We're gonna blast this thing all the way up. And then we're also gonna, I'm gonna start it here on rocket mode, but when things cool down, I always have it on sleep mode. I can point it any way I want. The cab of the truck is a small space. I've seen guys use this in like a semi truck, and they have their curtain to kind of keep the sleeping area smaller space. We're gonna let this go, man. We're gonna let this thing cool down. We're gonna run our temperature gauge to see where we're at.
Technically, you can point it to yourself or you can point it up, so that way the ears kind of circulates.
And then what I'll probably do also is I usually run my fan with it if I need it, just to, you know, circulate the cool air. All right, y'all, so we just went and took a shower. That's kind of the level of sound. It's not too crazy. It's kind of like a white noise, so that's one thing that's not too bad. This is usually how I go to sleep, y'all. I'm getting ready to go back here and get ready to watch my movie. There we go. Feeling good back here. All right, y'all, so usually I just set up my movie, and this thing is gonna continue to cool. And then what I do, man, during the day when I'm done, I just tuck it back, lift the chair up, tuck it back in. It's gone. All right, y'all, so y'all can see it's getting ready to drop. It's still dropping. So by the time it drops to like usually between the 70s, the low 70s and high 80s, it'll be like in the 50s. This entire place will be cooled down. It'll be icy. I'm gonna show y'all the temperatures probably a little bit later when we continue to drop. All right, y'all. So like I said, man, this thing is super quiet. The battery, very efficient. The power consumption is low. Gets about 5 to 6 hours, maybe 7, depending on what mode you're using. I like cool. Between cool and sleep is where I get the coldest air coming out. And it's very portable, man. Camping trips, anything you want to do outdoor. You want to go by the beach, you got your pet with you, your pet want to cool down, you can take this thing anywhere. So very convenient. I'm gonna take off. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested, I will have a code linked in the description with a discount. Thank you Zerobreeze for sending us this unit and allowing us to use it and test it out and share it with you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna go knock out, watch me a movie, stay icy, no idling, protect the truck. It's a win-win, y'all. Peace.